overflow thing.
Oh.
On the schedule.
They're probably going to go again. They've been on like 3 or 4 times.
Oh.
They've been on quite a few.
Sorry, I put my hand
Oh,
in
I
front
can't
of you.
believe that. It's going to be their show pretty soon.